Hello viewers, welcome to my channel DVZLN NMMS exam preparation SAT 82nd video. Class 8 Social Studies, Chapter 14, Parliament and Central Government, Part 2. Question number 1. The organ of government that makes laws is. Correct answer, legislature. Match the following. Post, minimum age. Correct option 1B, 2C, 3D, 4A. President 35 years, MP Lok Sabha 25 years, MP Rajya Sabha 30 years, voter 18 years. Question number 3. The number of Lok Sabha constituencies in a state depends on its dash. Correct answer, population. Question number 4. Which states have more than 30 Lok Sabha constituencies? Correct answer, all the above. Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, West Bengal and Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Question number 5. Delhi has dash members in Lok Sabha. Correct answer 7. Question number 6. The first elections to Lok Sabha were held during the years. Correct answer 1951-52. Question number 7. In the first Lok Sabha elections, every citizen who was dash years of age or older had the right to vote. Correct answer 21. Question number 8. The number of people were elected to the first Lok Sabha was. Correct answer 489. Question number 9. More than dash percent of eligible voters exercised their power to vote in the first Lok Sabha elections. Correct answer 46. Question number 10. Which of the following is not in the state list? Subjects on which laws can be made only by state legislative assemblies. Correct option currency. Question number 11. The total number of political parties contested in 2014 Lok Sabha elections was. Correct answer 464. Number 12. Which of the following is in the central list? Subjects on which laws can be made only by the parliament. Correct answer all the above. Military force and defense, money and banking, telephone and postal system. Question number 13. How many Lok Sabha elections have been held till date 2021? Correct answer is 17. Question number 14. Which of the following is in concurrent list subjects on which laws can be made by both Parliament and state legislative assemblies. Correct answer, all the above. Factories or industries, electricity, labor. Question number 15. If both Parliament and a state legislative assembly make a law on a subject and these laws clash or contradict each other, then correct answer, the law made by Parliament prevails. Question number 16. Which of the following is correct? Correct answer, all the elected MLAs of all the assemblies, including Delhi and Puducherry, and all the MPs of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha elect the president. Question number 17. Match the following. Who is who? Correct option 1B, 2C, 3D, 4A. President Ramnath Kovind, Vice President Venkaiah Naidu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. Question number 18. Which of the following is correct about formation of government? Correct answer, party or coalition with more than half seats in the parliament forms the government. Question number 19. The Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers are chosen from among the members of. Correct answer, either Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. Question number 20. The organ of government that implements laws is. Correct answer, executive. Question number 21. What is the average number of representation of women in national parliaments in the world? Correct answer, 16.5. Question number 22. The Vice President of India is elected by. Correct answer, members of both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Question number 23. What is the average number of representation of women in Indian Parliament? Correct answer, 8.3. Thank you for watching this video. Let us meet with the next video. Thank you.